everybody, welcome back. So today we are doing a look with the Impulsive Milk Cosmetics palette. If you want to see how I got this look here using this palette, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I got in the mail the Impulsive Milk Cosmetics palette. I think that's just one of the protectors. So it looks like this on the inside. Oh, it's really like that. So there's all kinds of colors in here, and yeah, we are gonna go big or go home because that's what we like to do, right? So I think I'm going to try this right here, and we're gonna see what we think. So yeah, I've not been paying attention to like trend mood and stuff because it gets me in trouble. And I happened to get an email from Melt, because I get everybody's email, and they were telling me about the new palette, and of course I love all of their palettes, so I decided to pick it up. I have a couple other stacks too, but I really like the palettes better than the stacks. Alright, so now that we got a couple of brushes clean, we are going to go ahead and go into this first shade right here, Dream Big, and we're going to focus that kind of on the outer part of our eye and try and pull it up into the crease. I am going to tap it a little bit just because I don't know how pigmented it is. Pretty pigmented. I already have my face done with foundation and everything, and I'm hating it. Just not been wearing foundation that much. Very light foundation and not with any powder or concealer, and I kind of went full ham today. Yeah. Alright. That Dream Big color is very, very pigmented. I am going in with a light touch so I can build it up versus having to blend it away. And yeah, I may have gotten this eye a little bit darker. This eye tends to get darker before my other eye does. I don't know why. This is my weird eye. You know, kind of like your glass eye. This is not my... This is a weird eye. So. Alright. The next shade is this dark, deep purple. It's called Boss Lady. And I want to see, I'm going to use, that brush I was using was a Sigma. It's all worn off though. I can't tell you what kind it was. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe M412. It's like a pointed brush, so I can focus this on the outer part of my eye. And just see if it's enough to deepen it up. Yeah, they're awfully close color. I don't know if it's enough separation. We'll figure it out though. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Okay, I'm going to blend it up and see how it holds up. But I'm going to put this color right here. It's called CEO with my finger. Oh, it's pretty dark. Let's just see how it does. Oh, you are dark, but I like you. Don't know if I like you with these guys though. But we're gonna and do it to it. I kind of do like it, that dark. I'm going to go back into the Boss Lady, that darker purple, and see about blending it some more. See, I didn't put a lot over here, and you can tell. You probably only need that Boss Lady and the CEO for the shimmer. My base. Oh, I hate this foundation on. It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. Alright, let's go ahead and take a little bit of that Boss Lady on my little Sigma E30 pencil brush. And we're just gonna put that under our eye. My mind, I was staring at the palette and I was like, what shade did I use? Yeah, I'm not sure. Thank you. I'm not sure about it. I almost wonder if I could do like a halo eye in there. Like a gold. Let me see something. Let's just shake it out. So this is my little mini Sigma. It's the eye shading. It's an E55. It's just a little midgy. And I'm going to go into this Poppin' Bottle shade here right and see what that looks like. Dead in the center. Not too much, not too much. I think that's better. I like this. I almost feel like it needs eyelashes though, because it needs to be a little more dramatic. We'll see if I should do eyelashes or not. What say you, party peeps? These are trash. Those eyelashes are trash, isn't it? Like, let go things. Let go things. It's okay. I think these are the same eyelashes. I think. Yeah. Use the same. Alright, so we're going to put a little eyelashes on, and then we're probably going to have to put some winged eyeliner on. Because you know that's my favorite thing to do. Am I out of eyeliner? I'm sorry. I'm not ever out of anything. I'm just being a little bit crazy. Alright, we're going to use this. So I have some duo glue here with more eyelashes. Stuck to it. Where's my eyelash gripper? I know she's here somewhere because we've been plucking eyebrows with ya. Oh Lord, help me, Jesus. It's just never ends. All right. So I always squeeze it up a little bit and let it start to come down the side, and then I just kind of drag the eyelash through that. And it gets just about enough on here. If you can see that, it's probably a little bit overboard. And I'll just hang on to that for a second. Let's see if I can't get those suckers on. Sometimes I don't have to put, oh, Susan. That is never good. Sometimes I don't have to put wing liner on with them. I can be pretty good at it without. A lot of people like to let them dry before they put them on. I don't. I like to put them on wet so I can move them around. All right, and then we'll let it dry on our eye a little bit. Trust me, I'm gonna tell you, my fingers are better than any eyelash applicator. Okay. I haven't worn lashes in so long. I've been so lazy. So lazy. Most of the time people don't show that eyelash application, which I think is crazy because, you know, people need to see that it's not easy. You know what I mean? Like, it's not, oh, wham, bam, I just pop them on. It's not that simple. And, you know, everybody struggles. Like, I'm struggling with this one here that's just gone all the way out. Alright. This is not my best little applicator tool. Because when they get... No, Susan. No. Alright. Well, see? That other one went on like a dream. This one just wants to give me nothing but trouble. And that's how it works, you know? Like, it just... That's the reality of wearing lashes. And they get stuck to your bottom lashes, you know. All that stuff happens. It is real. The struggle is real. One time I was at the MAC counter in Macy's. And the girls in there were like, oh my God, you have the longest eyelashes. I said, no, I do, but I said, I have lashes on. They're like, what? We've never seen them so close. I'm like, well, it's not that hard. It's not hard. It just, don't rush it. Don't rush it. You're going to make it look crazy. See, I didn't need any liner. I don't think it's close enough. Like, it's just not even hate liner. I just think it makes me look like a freaking cat. I will put on some mascara. We'll let it dry down a little bit. And let's put some lipstick on. I can't believe she just did that. Yes, I just did that. Alright, so we're going to go in with the Tango lip gloss from ABH. It's just one of the little minis. I think it'll be a good offset. And it's absolutely perfect. Well, I don't know if it's perfect, but my hair is not acting nice today. I gotta jack with it some. I'm gonna put, like I'm going for another look. I think. I just don't think I can try roll out my hair. Not ready. Alright, let's put some mascara on and see how that turns out. Now, when I have lashes on, I'm not really picky about the mascara I use because you're really just trying to make your lashes blend with the fake lashes. Alright, guys. Alright, so because it's more of a dramatic look, we wanted to put some lashes on. I should wear them for a little bit and try and get used to them. Actually, I'm going to put some liner on too. Not that kind. Not you. Not you. You. So this is the 24/7 Velvet from Urban Decay. It is in the color Lush. It's like a dark brown. And we are going to oh, this thing is not good. Like, why does that feel scratchy? There we go. Alright, we just needed to alright, I'm just putting it above, so it just makes it look less less like you have a gap there. And I'm actually gonna put a different one. It is a Urban Decay 24/7 as well, and it is in Walk of Shame, which is like the nude color, because I want my top to look dark and I want my bottom to pop. And then it's like that. So, yeah. My poor little hair is trying to flop. Okay, guys, so this is the look. I hope you like it. We will keep playing with this Impulsive Cosmetics palette and see what we think. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so, so much.